My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This vehicle was done just under 30,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, and on the right we have cruise control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access our vehicle settings, Mercedes Me and apps, info, ambient lighting, media, radio, navigation and smartphone integration. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.